Hello, dear viewers, I'm Health Consultant, and I'm so happy to meet you in this meaningful chat today. Are your legs feeling weaker as you age? Do sudden cramps or stiffness stop you from moving freely? What if I told you that a few simple daily habits could keep your legs strong, steady, and pain-free no matter your age? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 daily habits to maintain powerful, healthy legs and prevent frustrating leg cramps in seniors. Whether you want to stay active, avoid discomfort, or simply move with confidence, these tips will transform your mobility. So stay tuned, because stronger legs mean a stronger, more independent you. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to keep you healthy and active. First, let's talk about movement habits. As we age, our legs truly determine our freedom. They carry us through daily life, supporting every movement from getting out of bed to climbing stairs. Yet far too many people watch their strength fade away, assuming it's an unavoidable part of aging. But here's the truth: losing leg strength isn't inevitable. It's a choice, and the best way to preserve it. Movement. Muscles thrive on movement. The moment we stop using them, they start to deteriorate, a process called sarcopenia, which can begin as early as our 30s, but accelerates after age 60. Without regular stimulation, the muscles in your legs weaken, making everyday tasks like standing up from a chair or walking around the block feel like a challenge. But here's the beautiful truth: strength isn't reserved for the young. Science shows that older adults can rebuild and maintain strong legs with consistent, targeted exercise. Whether you're a beginner who hasn't exercised in years or someone looking to enhance your current routine, the right movements can transform not just your legs, but your overall well-being. The best way to approach leg strengthening is through a combination of resistance training, balance work, flexibility exercises, and low-impact cardio. Strength training is the foundation. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and sit-to-stand movements are incredibly effective in keeping the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves engaged. If those sound intimidating, start with something simpler. Try standing up from a chair without using your hands and repeat. This one movement mimics the actions needed for daily life and builds crucial leg power over time. Adding resistance bands or light ankle weights can further challenge your muscles, helping them grow stronger with each session. Balance is another critical piece of the puzzle. Many falls happen because the muscles that stabilize us, especially in the ankles and thighs, become weak. Simple exercises like standing on one foot while holding onto a chair or practicing gentle Tai Chi movements can significantly improve your ability to stay steady on your feet. These movements don't just strengthen muscles. They also train your brain and nervous system to react faster, preventing stumbles before they happen. But strength alone isn't enough. Flexibility plays a key role in preventing stiffness and ensuring smooth movement. Daily stretching, especially for the hamstrings, calves, and hip flexors, helps maintain mobility and reduces the risk of muscle strain. A few minutes of gentle stretching each morning or after exercise can keep your legs feeling limber and prepared for movement throughout the day. For those who find high-impact workouts, difficult low-impact activities like walking, swimming, or cycling offer a fantastic way to keep legs engaged without putting stress on the joints. Walking keeps muscles active, encourages circulation, and even helps maintain bone density, an essential factor in preventing fractures. The most important part of this journey is consistency. Strength isn't built in a day, but every small effort adds up. Daily habit number 2: nutrition. Exercise may be the engine that builds leg strength, but nutrition is the fuel that powers it. Without the right nutrients, muscles weaken, recovery slows, and the body struggles to maintain the strength needed for movement. Food is more than just sustenance. It's the building block of mobility, the raw material for strong muscles, and the secret weapon against age-related decline. One of the biggest mistakes older adults make is not getting enough protein. As we age, our bodies process protein less efficiently, meaning we need more of it to maintain and rebuild muscle. Yet many seniors fall far short of the recommended daily intake, unknowingly accelerating muscle loss. Think of protein as the cement that holds your strength together. Without enough of it, the foundation weakens, and the legs that once carried you effortlessly begin to struggle. So how much protein do you actually need? Research suggests that older adults should aim for at least 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. That means if you weigh 70 kilograms, around 154 pounds, you should be consuming around 70 to 84 grams of protein daily. But it's not just about hitting a number. It's about distributing protein intake evenly throughout the day. Instead of having most of it at dinner, include protein-rich foods in every meal to continuously support muscle repair and growth. But protein alone isn't enough. Calcium and vitamin D are your leg's best allies. Strong legs require strong bones, and without enough calcium, bones become fragile and prone to fractures. Vitamin D plays an equally crucial role by helping the body absorb calcium effectively. Without it, even a diet rich in calcium won't be enough. The best sources: dairy products, leafy greens, fortified foods, and sunlight. But if you struggle to get enough from diet alone, a supplement might be necessary. After all, what good is muscle strength if your bones can't support it? Then there's inflammation, a hidden force that can sap leg strength without warning. Chronic inflammation, fueled by poor diet choices, can lead to muscle loss and joint pain, making movement difficult. The antidote: an anti-inflammatory diet rich in whole foods, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Swap processed foods for lean proteins, omega-3 rich fish, nuts, seeds, and vibrant fruits and vegetables. Every bite you take is either fighting for or against your mobility. Choose wisely. Food is more than just energy. It's medicine, it's protection, and most importantly, it's the key to longevity. A well-nourished body moves with ease, recovers quickly, and resists the slow decline that so many assume is inevitable. Specialist: most people think strength is built during exercise, but that's only half the story. True muscle growth and repair happen when you rest, specifically while you sleep. Sleep is the body's natural recovery system, the reset button that repairs worn-out muscle fibers, replenishes energy stores, and reinforces bone and joint health. Without enough of it, all the effort you put into strengthening your legs is like trying to build a house on a crumbling foundation. No matter how well you eat or exercise, if you're not sleeping well, your body simply won't have the time or resources to rebuild what you're working so hard to strengthen. When you sleep, your body releases growth hormone, a powerful repair agent that stimulates muscle regeneration and bone formation. This is particularly important as you age because muscle mass naturally declines over time. A lack of deep quality sleep disrupts this process, slowing down recovery and making it harder to maintain leg strength. Over time, poor sleep contributes to muscle weakness, slower reflexes, and even increased fall risk. Studies have shown that older adults who sleep less than 6 hours per night tend to have weaker muscles and greater difficulty with mobility, compared to those who get enough rest. In other words, every hour of lost sleep is a missed opportunity for your legs to regain their power. Strength training and physical activity put stress on your muscles, causing tiny micro tears in the fibers. This is a good thing. It's how muscles grow back stronger. But if you don't allow them to recover, those muscles remain fatigued, leaving you feeling sore and more prone to injury. This is why alternating intense exercise days with lighter activity, like walking, stretching, or balance exercises, is essential. It gives your legs time to rebuild without weakening from inactivity. So how do you optimize your rest to maximize leg strength? It starts with prioritizing sleep quality. Aiming for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night gives your body the time it needs to restore muscle and joint health. Creating a consistent sleep routine, going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, helps regulate your body's natural rhythms, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Avoiding stimulants like caffeine in the late afternoon and reducing screen time before bed can also improve sleep depth, ensuring your muscles get the full recovery they need. Additionally, proper sleep posture matters more than you think. If you experience leg pain or stiffness, sleeping with a pillow between your knees. If you're a side sleeper, or under your legs. If you're on your back, can reduce strain on joints and muscles, preventing discomfort that disrupts rest. Even small adjustments like keeping your bedroom cool and dark can have a profound impact on sleep quality, allowing your body to fully relax and enter deeper restorative stages. Many older adults assume that difficulty sleeping is just part of aging, but that's not entirely true. Poor sleep isn't an inevitable consequence of getting older. It's often a result of habits that need adjusting. And when you make rest a priority, the benefits extend far beyond muscle recovery. Improved sleep enhances balance, reduces inflammation, boosts mental clarity, and even strengthens the immune system, all of which contribute to better overall health and mobility. Specialist. You move, you exercise, you eat well, but something still feels off. Your legs feel heavy, your muscles cramp more often, and fatigue creeps in faster than it should. Your body might be missing something simple, yet absolutely essential: hydration. Water is the lifeblood of your muscles. Every movement, from standing up to taking a step, depends on fluid balance within your body. Your muscles are nearly 70% water, and even a slight dip in hydration levels can reduce strength, slow recovery, and make your legs feel weaker than they actually are. But here's the problem. As we age, our natural thirst response weakens. That means by the time you feel thirsty, your body is already in a deficit, and your muscles are already paying the price. Think about it. Have you ever woken up with stiff, aching legs? That stiffness isn't just about aging. It's often a sign of dehydration. When your body doesn't have enough water, circulation slows, oxygen delivery to the muscles decreases, and waste products like lactic acid build up, making movement feel more difficult than it should be. Proper hydration keeps blood flowing efficiently, ensuring your muscles receive the nutrients they need to contract, relax, and function at their best. And it's not just about keeping muscles moving. Hydration is also crucial for joint lubrication. Every step you take is cushioned by synovial fluid, the natural lubricant that keeps your knees, ankles, and hips moving smoothly. But when you're dehydrated, this fluid thickens, leading to increased friction, stiffness, and discomfort. Over time, this can make walking and exercising more painful, discouraging movement, when in reality, drinking more water could be the simple fix. Muscle cramps are another telltale sign that your legs are crying out for hydration. Dehydration disrupts the balance of electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, which are essential for proper muscle contractions. When these levels drop, muscles spasm and seize up, leading to painful cramps that can strike at any moment, whether you're in the middle of a walk or lying in bed at night. By staying properly hydrated, you help regulate these minerals, keeping your leg muscles functioning smoothly and reducing those frustrating nighttime cramps. So how much water do you really need? While the standard advice of 6 to 8 glasses per day is a good general guideline, your individual needs depend on factors like activity level, climate, and overall health. The key is consistency. Sip throughout the day rather than waiting until you're parched. Start your morning with a glass of water to replenish overnight losses. Drink with meals and keep a bottle nearby as a visual reminder. If plain water isn't appealing, herbal teas, water-rich fruits like watermelon and oranges, or broths can also contribute to hydration. Some might worry about frequent bathroom trips, especially at night, but skimping on fluids to avoid this is a mistake. Instead of cutting back on water, adjust your timing, drink more earlier in the day, and reduce intake an hour before bed. The goal isn't just to drink more water, but to stay consistently hydrated throughout the day, so that your muscles and joints always have what they need to perform at their best. Daily habit number 5. Avoid prolonged sitting. The human body was built to move. Your legs in particular rely on daily activity to maintain strength, circulation, and stability. Yet modern life encourages prolonged sitting, whether it's watching television, reading, using a computer, or simply resting for extended periods. Over time, too much sitting leads to gradual muscle loss, reduced circulation, and a decline in balance and mobility. The worst part, you may not even realize it's happening until everyday activities like climbing stairs, standing up from a chair, or walking long distances become noticeably harder. When you sit for long periods, your leg muscles essentially turn off. The major muscle groups, your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, remain inactive, which leads to gradual atrophy. The phrase, "use it or lose it," has never been more relevant. Studies show that muscle loss accelerates with prolonged inactivity, and for older adults, this can be a fast track to frailty. Sitting for too long also reduces blood circulation, which can lead to swelling in the legs, increased risk of blood clots, and a feeling of heaviness or fatigue when you finally do stand up. The solution isn't about replacing sitting with intense workouts. It's about breaking up sedentary time with frequent movement. Small, consistent actions throughout the day can have a huge impact on maintaining leg strength and overall mobility. Standing up every 30 to 60 minutes, even if only for a couple of minutes, helps reactivate leg muscles and restore circulation. A simple habit like marching in place, doing a few heel raises, or taking a short walk around the room can be enough to counteract the negative effects of prolonged sitting. Another powerful way to integrate more movement: turn daily activities into opportunities for leg engagement. Stand while talking on the phone, do gentle leg stretches while watching TV, or take the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible. Even shifting your weight from one leg to the other while standing can keep muscles engaged and prevent stiffness. If mobility is a concern, exercises such as seated leg lifts, ankle circles, or resistance band work can help keep your legs active without requiring standing or walking. It's easy to assume that just because you walk or exercise for 30 minutes a day, the rest of the time doesn't matter. But research shows that even regular exercisers can experience muscle weakness if they spend too much time sitting. The bottom line: sitting isn't the enemy. Staying still for too long is. Every time you choose to stand, stretch, or take a few steps, you're investing in the strength and longevity of your legs. So ask yourself, when was the last time you moved? If it's been a while, stand up right now. Your legs will thank you for it. In conclusion, by incorporating these 5 daily habits, staying active, fueling your body with the right nutrients, prioritizing quality rest, staying hydrated, and avoiding prolonged sitting, you're not just preserving mobility, you're investing in your future. Every step you take, every mindful choice you make, adds up to a healthier, more vibrant you. Age doesn't have to mean slowing down. Your legs can stay powerful for years to come. The key is consistency. So start today. Embrace these habits and keep moving toward a stronger, more confident life. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.